Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency, and this is 14 Werner Street in Park Avenue. Set on 1,012 square metres, this home has got plenty of space for you to do what you want. This is a really good space under this home. We've got a really nice height with good concrete, but what's best is this huge backyard with the possibility of rear lane access. "14 Werner Street in Park Avenue is a wonderful entry-level home with a huge allotment, beautiful timber floors, and this nice, bright, fresh paint job. If our team can help you own this home, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.